Hi, this is Jason from Effective Maintenance Dashboards. In this video we're going to be looking at another option which has been included in a recent update to Power BI to allow you to drill through to underlying reports. So let's crack on. The first thing I want to do is just show you this is a backlog, this is a work management analysis dashboard. I'll leave a link underneath, and if you're interested in finding out more about how to build this dashboard, then great. However, just a recap, when you drill through, so this has got a lot of information on it, this dashboard here, and it's got quite a lot of pages that you can drill through to. So as a reminder, when you drill through, you right click, and I've created a video on how to create a drill through, which I'll also leave a link down below for, or somewhere on the corner there. But when you drill through, all of the pages that are activated for that particular drill through are displayed. Now this has always been a little bit of an issue of mine because you've got to then select the drill through page you want to see. In this example here, I want to look at the PM compliance. Down here I would want to look at, if I click on one of these, I'd want to see this work orders waiting information. So right click on here, and I've got to go and find it. It's there, here we go. But could it be this one, or which one is it? It's a little bit awkward. So Power BI, the Power BI team have released a new feature which kind of gives you another option, and I'm going to show you how it works. So the first thing you need to do is you need to just create a little bit of space here, because you're going to create a button, and that button is going to be used for the drill through. So I'm going to move that up a little bit. I'm going to create a little bit of space under here. So it's not ideal actually, and there's still a couple of improvements I think they could make to this functionality. It's a preview feature. So what you do is you insert a new button, and I'm going to just insert a blank button, and I'm going to put that button right underneath this row here, or this column here, and I'm going to change it up a little bit, not too much, but I would like to change it a little bit. But the first thing I'm going to do is put some text on it. I'm going to say drill, and I'm going to change, yeah, that's fine. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the outline and just make it a little less weight, and then I'm going to change the background. And I'm going to put the background on, and I'm going to change that to be a dark background, maybe even, yeah, that's this one here. And I'm going to change the button text to be white. And I'll show you why that is in a second. So we've got this drill here, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now associate this drill with an action. So we go into action, and the action we want is a drill through. Now it's a preview, so it may change, but here it is there. And rather than go and select different destinations from a pop-up like you would here, or like a list like you would here, what you can do is you can allocate a specific drill through to that particular button. So this one here is going to be waiting risk review. Okay, and then we'll put in enable tooltip. We'll put in drill to detail and disable tooltip, and I'll show you what these are for in a second. It's just if the drill through is enabled, or if it's not enabled, you can display different text there. Select row, select a row. Okay, so here we've got it, and you'll notice that the colours changed. Now I'm not 100% sure if you can format this colour here, and this is the colours that are defaulted when the drill through is not enabled. So it's asking me now with that to select a row with that tooltip. So it's only enabled if I select one of these rows here. So if I select this row here, now it's enabled and it changes colour. And we can see if we hover over here, let's see it, yeah, drill to detail. So if I hold down Control, and we can see we've got our one work order for the whichever platform that was for, whichever site. Let's go back. For the Bravo platform, and then if I hold down, select this row again, this is for Alpha. Now I've done another video that allows you to understand how you set up these drill throughs, and I'll put another link to that so you can be clear on how you set up these drill throughs and how you actually enable the drill through report to be picked up here. But this one is just letting you see, if I drill through on here, it's become active. I've got nothing selected, so it's inactive. It's that colour there. I've selected something here, and the page I've chosen to drill through to recognises that it's now available. And then I can drill through, and here's my 9 work orders there. Now, what you can do is I would actually like it to be able to disable this, or at least put some conditional formatting in place so that you can hide this. And then when you select one of these, it would then become available, because I'm going to have to go and copy this for each one of these rows and then change the actual underlying report. So I'll just quickly do that, and we'll do a final one. And it takes up quite a bit of real estate, and it's not very neat. But what you'd have to do is you have to go into each one of these, go to Action, and change the destination report. And then for each one of these, if I select this row here, now if I go here, I'm expecting to see this waiting information. Now all of the drills are activated because we've got that whole row selected, and here's a waiting information. And if I were to change the option here to drill through into the waiting planning or waiting for scheduling, that would be the case. So it is better. It's probably more relevant if you've just got a chart here, but a good step forward. Definitely, it can sometimes be hard to see this drill through here and then go and know it's there in the first place, and then go and select the actual relevant destination report. So hopefully this will give you some ideas on how you can apply that to your Power BI reports. If you've liked this video and want to see more, then head over to my channel and press the subscription button, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and I will talk to you in another video. Thanks for listening.